Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's roundup is jam-packed with AI news covering everything from exam cracking AI to wildlife conservation. Buckle up because we're about to explore the fascinating ways AI is shaping our world. AI aces the UPSC exam, but can it replace you? An Indian AI application called PadhAI has made headlines by scoring a whopping 170 out of 200 on the UPSC exam in just 7 minutes. While this is a remarkable feat, it sparks questions about the role of AI in education. Can AI truly replace human learning, or is it a tool to enhance it? Apple struggles with the face of AI. Apple, known for its sleek design aesthetic, is facing a unique challenge, creating an AI icon that resonates with users. While other tech giants have established symbols for their AI assistants, Apple seems to be struggling to find one that makes sense for their brand. This is a light-hearted story, but it highlights the challenges of user interface design in the age of AI. Global tech embraces AI despite economic turmoil. The global economic situation might be shaky, but that's not stopping tech giants from investing in AI. Companies see AI as a key driver of future growth, with potential applications across various sectors. This unwavering commitment to AI development highlights its long-term importance in the tech landscape. Responsible AI, a call to action. Rohit Midha from Lenovo emphasizes a crucial point. The focus needs to be on responsible AI and sustainable AI. As AI development continues to accelerate, ethical considerations and environmental impact must be at the forefront. This ensures responsible use of AI for the benefit of society and the planet. AI takes flight for wildlife conservation. Conservation efforts are getting a high-tech boost with AI-powered drones. These drones can track endangered species, monitor illegal activities, and gather valuable data. This innovative application of AI has the potential to significantly improve the effectiveness of wildlife conservation efforts, leading to a brighter future for endangered animals. That's all for this edition of the AI News Roundup. From exam-cracking applications to wildlife protection, AI continues to reshape our world in remarkable ways. Let me know in the comments below which of these news stories you find most interesting. Do you think AI can play a positive role in education? How can we ensure responsible development of AI? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.